Hi, thank you so much for watching. My name is Culture, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some yummy caffeinated energy bars from Verb. So they sent me this large bag of 12 bars, and the flavor is double chocolate, and then they also sent me salted peanut butter, coconut chai, and ginger snap. So about these bars, they are caffeinated with green tea, so not like regular coffee, you won't get any jitters. However, each bar is equal to 1 espresso, and it's only 90 calories per bar. Now the bars are quite small, I'll have to say that. So if you wanted to eat 2 of these bars, you want to make sure you're careful because 2 bars equals 2 espressos. Now these are made with simple ingredients. Everything that's on the label you can pronounce and understand what they are. Basically like a homemade bar, but with the convenience of just having it delivered to your house. They're also pretty satisfying to my sweet tooth. I definitely have a sweet tooth. So when I have one of these, I don't feel like I need to reach for something else that's sweet. So this is the double chocolate and it is so yummy. I'm tempted to take a bite right now, but since I've already had a couple of these, I wanted to taste test the other flavors on camera. So I already ate the salted peanut butter, which was so yummy. The flavors taste exactly like what they say. They don't have a weird aftertaste or anything. I find that with a lot of protein bars because they're made with different types of sugars or sugar alcohols, and I actually hate that taste. These bars taste so yummy, and like I said, no weird aftertaste. So this one is ginger snap. Let's go ahead and taste this. Tastes like an oatmeal cookie. All right, now let's try coconut chai. I taste just a hint of the chai, but I really like coconut, and it's definitely coconutty. Yummy too. So if you are somebody who drinks a lot of coffee or caffeinated drinks, this isn't gonna give you that like lift off feeling because you're eating the caffeine from an energy bar. Your body's probably immune to the caffeine. So be mindful of that if you are looking to kind of get a pick-me-up from these bars. If your body's already immune to caffeine, then you might need to eat a couple more than just 1 or 2 to get that feeling. But you also wanna be careful because how much caffeine is in here, even though it's green tea, you don't wanna overdo it in your body. So I used to be a very heavy coffee drinker. Multiple cups of iced coffee or cold brew every single day, and I realized that was probably a bad idea for my body. So now I started making myself matcha green tea lattes in the morning. It tastes so yummy. I have like the perfect little recipe that I just love making every single day, and it doesn't give me the shakes or the jitters. I was really struggling with that with coffee because I love the flavor, I love creamer, I love all things coffee, but I would get heart palpitations really bad to the point where I actually had to see my doctor. So like I said, I make myself a matcha green tea latte in the morning, and then by the afternoon, I would make myself a small cup of cold brew coffee. But now that these bars have been in my life, this is what I reach for in the middle of the day when I feel like I would otherwise have a cold brew coffee. I have one of these. It satisfies my sweet tooth, which is a plus, and then it already has caffeine from green tea. So even though it doesn't make me feel like I'm exploding with energy or anything like that, I know that there's caffeine in it. Plus it's a nice little treat in the middle of the day, and so it satisfies both of those cravings. You can actually get yourself a starter kit, which is just $10, and it includes a bag of 12 bars, plus some other flavors that you can add into your package. Let me show you the website. When you click the link below, you're gonna see here you can get your own Verb bar starter kit for just $10. Then you're gonna select which flavor you're gonna choose for your 12 bar pouch. That's the big pouch that has 12 bars in it. It's gonna be one flavor. Pick your favorite one here. You can't go wrong, really. Once you confirm that flavor, it'll bring you to this add-on, 3 different flavors for just an additional $6.95. But you can skip this if you want to, add it if you want to, or you can change your starter kit flavor if you wanted to change your mind. Next, they're just gonna let you know that they're gonna check in with you via text about your order 3 weeks after it gets delivered to see how you're doing. These bars are perfect to put in any size purse, like your tiniest little clutch if you needed to. And then also, I like that they won't melt when they're outside. Having it be summertime right now, you might want to take these to the beach or the pool or when you're on a hike. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. I'll leave all the information down below for Verb, the link to get your starter kit. And now I'm going to enjoy the rest of my coconut chai.